Good to lift from that shit? Or no? Big metal chunk.
Ow! What's up, Goomba people? We made it in the SR. We just did a 90-mile-an-hour pull on the highway.
Should we do burnout real quick?
I don't know where. What?
On the fucking stream. What do you mean?
In the gravel? I'll do a burnout, but
Nah, go to the stream.
We're gonna pull the motor today. What we're gonna do is we're gonna blow it first.
Yep, very nice, very nice. All right, so what up, Goomba? Say what up, Shawnee.
What up, Goomba?
Today is, we don't know the date, but we're pulling the motor out of that car, and everything else off of it because it's a donor car, and we're gonna put it in the other car. There's a bunch of cars. You'll see. Just watch.
lay down a second.
Oh, you had to drive that thing.
Why?
It's all scraping off the ground. Yeah, just park that thing right next to the trash cans. Garbage people are coming, so.
Yo, she did second pretty good.
For a second, she didn't want it. Then,
Dude, it didn't want to grab second, so I had to like wait and then fucking get it in. So like that wait time was fucking game over.
James, you got it. James, you should have got it. She did it for the vlog. She never acts out like that. She never acts out.
Absolutely not. My mom gotta do it. You ain't gonna get in trouble. I am.
Where do you want to jack up from?
Muscles.
Other side, good now.
We need a hood prop of some sort. The wood's in the
Wood
car,
in
right?
there.
What's up, girl?
You can go like another engine. Yeah, alright, let's take a look. What do we got?
Yeah, I don't know if he's not that bad.
We should have painted it.
Not as bad as we thought, eh?
Yeah.
Looks like the body's pretty bad though. Oh, like boy, the skirt wasn't shit. That shit just rotted through.
Oh yeah.
Up in the front too, but and it's all caved in. You guys hit some shit.
This is fun.
Yeah. So this is the hard.
And this is the one that the rack was leaking?
No, the rack's leaking out of the other car.
Yeah, but this one.
No big metal chunks yet. Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
that's good.
oh.
Gets that all over me, huh?
It's just dirty, but it looks.
Progress.
Rusty crusty.
This side's nice.
Yeah.
The other side's oh, a little crinkle. Nothing crazy.
Clean.
Clean me off.
Alright, so as you can see, we are, what do? We took the overs off, bumpers off, side skirts off, intercooler, fans, rad. What do you got down here, Shawnee?
Exhaust is out, drive shaft's out. We're disconnecting all the wires and solenoid type shit from the trans right now, so it's ready to pull out. Oil's drained out of the engine.
Nice. Coming along here. Nicely. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Spray me.
Oh, this is the speed sensor. It's out of the trans in these, right?
Yeah.
There's that golden girl right there.
Tipping on fofos, rocking fofos, tipping on fofos.
Alright, should we get the... Where's it come? The hood. I put it in the hood.
In the hood?
Yeah.
A light bulb.
Here. take pictures of what is in the car, and if people watch it, we'll tear out the car for them.
Out. It's out, fam.
I think the
It's out. Just drive around the front, push it back.
Back up a little. Alright, that's good. Now come up a little. Alright, now go. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you can push. Just go slow.
The whole car is like lifting up. It's not great.
I have the e-brake on. Huh? I have the e-brake on.
Right?
You gotta follow the car though. There you go.
Good on that.
Let off the brake.
These things are light.
For the most part. I mean, if you come help.
Come on, Sean. I'm doing a burnout. Go get the tractor.
No. So
Alright,
close.
get the tractor. Make it happen. We like pushing shit. Fuck. Can't breathe. Holy shit. Oh, what do we got? Christopher Tolton.
gang shit.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Let's figure out a game plan with this engine. Because we might need this.
I
The
guess.
engine.
Sure, you want me to get a ballpark?
Put it in that check.
Alright, so engine's out, car's parted, bumpers are off, side skirts are off, fenders are off. Everything we're gonna sell, use, not use. Hit you with an update.
Hit you with an update.
Update.